Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yellow sauce. This delicious, vibrant condiment is a staple in many Latin American dishes, known for its unique flavor and beautiful color. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create this creamy, flavorful sauce right in your own kitchen. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to achieving the perfect consistency. Let's get started. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 Aji Amarillo peppers, either fresh or frozen, with their stems and seeds removed. Next, grab about 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small onion, roughly chopped. For that creamy texture, have 1/4 cup of evaporated milk and about 2 ounces of queso fresco ready. These simple items are the foundation of our amazing yellow sauce.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. On another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when cooking up a storm. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle seen here to keep your drinks perfectly chilled. It's fantastic for any kitchen or on the go. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the simple preparation steps. Begin by sautéing your chopped onion and garlic in a pan with just a tablespoon of oil until they become soft and fragrant. Once cooled slightly, transfer them to a blender along with the Aji Amarillo peppers and the remaining vegetable oil. Blend until you achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Finally, add the evaporated milk and queso fresco, blending once more until the sauce is wonderfully creamy and uniform. Here are some tips for achieving the perfect yellow sauce. If you prefer a spicier kick, you can include a few of the Aji Amarillo seeds when blending. For a thinner consistency, simply add a tablespoon of water or milk until it reaches your desired texture. To keep your sauce fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay delicious for up to 5 days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.